to test it out, the Deepseek, how it's gonna be, how it's gonna grow. See, without any giving like a kind of context, I was testing many GPTs to see how it's be able to produce the quality content, quality code. For now, let's start with the Tailwind and setting up the starter kit for now. And we're gonna use the Tailwind, and the React TypeScript. In That's I would say that's pretty much. And let's start with the UI first, and let's go with that. Let's in this case we're gonna just installing the Vita, and the installing the Tailwind CSS, and the Tailwind CSS is improve the installation and configuration with the Vita, which is adding like just two lines, and you end up having like a Tailwind set it up. You need to install the dependencies, and after that you need to go to the Vita config ts. In this case, you're just gonna copy this lines of configurations of the Vita plugins, and that's it. And yes, the adding the small changes in the index css, which is in the index css, and not and that's it. Not too many lines, it's just a few lines, and the Tailwind css is ready for that. And which is I like it the most. Here, let's run it and check the counter. It's Vita React has a counter initially. Counter, it's working. Okay, now let's go into our generation of UI using Deepseek. Uh, See here. Let's go with that. Create UI for my phrase list to learn English, French, and Spanish. See, translator. Create UI for translator. I didn't give too much any kind of context. I just say one word in the prompt, as Deepseek understand very well what it does. Um, so I see it's generated all the component of the translator. We're gonna create the file called translator.tsx and paste there. Okay, let's include this to the main app. Let's see how it's gonna be included and see. Okay, we're just gonna copy this 4 lines and edit just completely. We don't need the default counter. We're just gonna add that and remove the unused lines. Yeah, that's it. You see, it's created pretty nice view also using Tailwind CSS, and it's actually really good. From to hello, English, Spanish, and translate, clear, show history, and it's also gives supported languages. It's added those things. It's just by using just small prompt, it gives the whole like a picture of that. It's quite fast, and regularly it takes a lot of time to like almost like a 1 hour 2 hours to create this kind of UI. But we using just the one prompt is you be able to purely logic and adding that UI. Okay, let's see. Is adding the key features is also explain the key features there. Additional features, mock translation. Let's go with the next one, and called my phrase list. And we're gonna go to the my phrase list here, create UI for my phrase list. non-English, French, Spanish. Huh. Okay, let's make it simple. Okay, what else? Okay, phrase list, right? Okay, let's go. Let's wait to see how it's gonna go. Okay, it started generating. It's working quite fast, which is good. Okay, okay. Nice. Okay, let's create just a simple as a, like a previous one. Uh, Phrase learner. Save it. I see there is the missing module. Let's install that. Npm install. What's wrong with that? Hmm. Let's figure out this thing. Uh, let's add the phrase learner first. For the icons, we're gonna just figure it out for sure. Create tabs for toggle for components using buttons. I want to have like a switch between the apps or components because it's actually quite two different things. Save it. Okay, let's go with the first Lucid React. Let's use Lucid React icons rather than the React icons. Uh, and we're gonna just copy paste. I think it should work. Okay. Just show missing. Yep. Here is the missing this thing. Okay. Quite good. Hmm. Done. It's also provided all the analogies being used alternative to that. We don't need to just copy paste the code. We're gonna just import all of those things here. Inside the React. Okay. Here we go. Now we're gonna just see. We're gonna just remove the fee in front. Check X plus edit. Okay. Check. Nice. Cool. Let's move on to the next one. Check. We just need to use fi. We need to just remove fi. X. That's it. Lucid. Okay. It's almost there. Okay. Cool. I think that's all. Let's go to the app. It's added the button switch buttons, phrase learner. Beautiful, beautiful. Hello, bonjour, hola. Here is the category: easy, difficulties, easy, medium, all of those things here. Adding the phrases, which is really good. Cool. That's actually created all the phrase book what I like it the most. Here, let's go with the creating other part. Spell checker. Sure. We're gonna just repeat the same process. Spell checker. Here, just paste and include that. Close all. Let's go to the app and include this. Include spelling checker. Let's check that it's gonna just add that component. Hmm. Added one button. That's good. Accept. Save. Let's check UI. That's nice. Wow. It's also added the recorder, which is I requested for that. Allow this time and try to record something. Stop. Ready to play. It's actually worked. Yeah, we gotta work on the like spell checker, all of those things, but it's working. Oh, I see. Maybe incorrect. Hello, help. It's actually working, but it's something. If you added something letters at the end, but the starting word is correct, it actually works. But the which is wrong. It need to it need to be improved for sure. But uh, but with giving like a less context and giving that thing is creating all the UIs, and it's done quite well. Also saving, which works well. That's great. Nice. That's all. Let's turn it off. See, this is all three apps using three prompts, which is really quite good. What else left? Nothing. It's just also adding explanation, all of those things, and that's all. See you next time.